Hello, everybody. Day one of the Smart City Expo World Congress. I'm joined by Therese Sartorius, who's the CEO of Blue Well Company Select Group, a company that is specialized in industrial treatment of water, which put in context of what's going on here, they help people save water, if I can say it this way, right? In a very simple way, right? So, Thierry, welcome. And thank you for being with us. What is the value, right? In this context of smart city, what is the value that Blue Well Company can contribute with, and where do you specialize and how do you
Yeah, we really specialize in water distribution, especially water savings. We help our customers to save water in different ways because originally Select Group was a specialist of the manufacture of these devices you have on the taps when you go to the airport and you wash your hands.
Yeah.
So they've sold millions of these ones. Now Select has decided to buy Blue Well Company because they wanted to go to something more technical, more sophisticated. And what we do, we help our customers to manage water wherever we are, wherever is a device. We have devices all over the world. And from any place in the world, we can control any of our devices. This is mainly the essence of it. And in particular, we have this capability to be able to open or to close taps, to open or close valves, and to help our customers to save water. Sometimes, even they ask us to open only partially the valve.
Now, this is an industry that has to develop over the coming years. Maybe, I don't know if you agree with me, but I believe that we're becoming increasingly conscious of the importance of take care of water, especially through the recent droughts that we've seen across Europe, right?
Absolutely.
It wastes a lot of water.
You're perfectly right. If you take the example of the south of France, up to very recent years, it was very easy to have water even in the middle of the summer. Now you have more and more cities in summer where really water is lacking and they don't know what to do. So the only solution for the future is to regulate and to avoid that some people take too much water out of the network. Here in my hands, I got one of these small valves that we're capable to manage with our superb radios. But we do much bigger valve ones, especially with Saint-Gobain Group, where we do bigger valve up to 300 millimeters. So we're talking about really big engines, which are still fully autonomous. We do irrigation with it, and we also do network management with it.
Blue Well Company does the full integration of the entire solution, right? From the design, the manufacturing of the device, and then the remote monitoring. Right? Tell us more about what you're showcasing at the trade show.
So maybe first one word about all the capability of the Select Group. Select Group is a very innovative group because they are capable to do everything in these devices. They've done everything. They've done the mechanics, they've done the electronics, they've done the software. And even the plastic is done inside the group. Select Group owns a subsidiary in China, which feeds China and the Asian market in general. So really, it's an interesting group because joining Select is very, very positive for us because it helps us a lot to develop quicker and faster and further.
How does it work? What does the device deliver?
This one you got in the hand is a device which have been designed for the monitoring of the air in offices.
So not just water, you're also managing it?
Yeah, because some of our customers, they start with water and afterwards they ask for electricity and they ask for tanks and they ask for something else. But the essence, we started with water, that's it. Okay. But this example, this is for office and this is for office facility managers in general. It controls the temperature of the air, the humidity, the rate of CO2 in the air, which is very important nowadays. We can monitor the luminosity and the noise.
Okay.
Obviously, this device is linked to a server, and we record the incoming different parameters throughout time, which is something innovative in that much as you got a lot of people producing CO2 systems, but there is no connection to it. So, okay, maybe it may beep at some time, but it has strictly no interest. In this case, we address this product to main companies like insurance companies, where they have many offices, and we have one of our devices in each of their offices. Okay. So they monitor and they can demonstrate with real data that they comply with the law.
Let me ask you about communications. How important is the communication link in your value proposition?
Communication is vital. And not only communication is vital, but the cost of communication is even more important. Because if you produce a cheap device and throughout time you put 10 times the value of the device in communication, you're lost. And when the market is dead. Thanks to people like Once, we have new markets opening, we have new opportunities coming, and the fact that Once is available in many countries, the fact that the cost is a flat cost, we know the flat from the cost from the beginning, is an essential element for us.
I think he couldn't summarize better some of the value proposition advantages, right? I mean, we're very honored to be here and be able to work with Thierry, with this company. Thierry, thank you very much for being with us.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Thank you for your welcome.
Oh, absolutely.